Unboxing of my GoPro 10. This is the first GoPro I've ever purchased in my life. So I went ahead and purchased this GoPro 10 to use specifically for my overlanding travels and off-roading. I have been using the camera that I'm videotaping this with. It's a Lumix macro for thirds and SLR type camera, which it works pretty well for this, but it's a little bit large and heavy, and so a GoPro is much lighter and smaller, and also is designed for action videos and video blogging. So this is the box that it arrived in. Now let's see here what it has. It has a 23 megapixel camera, which is really good, and it can be underwater for 33 foot depth for 10 minutes. It has a voice control, has an 8x slow motion, has a data overlays, time warp 3.0, not sure what that is. It can do live 1080p live streaming. It's a super photo HDR plus raw photos, which is great, especially if you're doing your own editing. Raw photos is the way to go. Uploads automatically to the cloud. I think you need a GoPro subscription for that, otherwise I have to download it into my PC or whatever, or my phone, and upload it that way, but we'll see. It has a webcam mode and a mod ready. It comes with the Hypersmooth 4.0, which is supposed to really help with the shaking while filming. So it has a GP2 processor, which is awesome. So what else we have here? So it comes with a camera, it comes with a battery, and comes with different mounting pieces, and a USB charging, and a nice carrying case. It does require a micro SD. I think it's a 728 SD card. Okay. It says here, upload your footage to the cloud while charging with the GoPro subscription. Yeah, so that might be something to look into. So let's take a look at the box inside the package here, and I already kind of tore it open. And let's see here. This is a nice case. Nice texture to it. Yes. Pretty sturdy. So let's unzip this bad boy. Here we go. Alright. So they give you some paperwork. Subscribe to the GoPro. I guess this is where I would need to do to upload my videos to the cloud. It says full access to GoPro quick apps editing tools. Cool. Unlimited cloud backup, plus auto uploads and auto highlight videos. No questions asked camera replacement. Up to 50% off accessories at GoPro.com, and $100 off on your next GoPro. Awesome. Pretty good deal. Okay. So what is this here? It looks like a quick guide. I've never operated a GoPro in my life, so I will be checking out. I definitely need to check out that. And their instruction booklet. It says chat with our experts at GoPro.com for answers. Yeah, no need to return your product to the store. Unfortunately, the print in this booklet is super fine, and I will need a magnifying glass in order to read it. Or they may have on their website a digital copy of this, which might be better to get. So the case contains this. Let's start with the mounting equipment pieces, rather. Here we go. Not sure what that's going to be used for, but I'll find out. Just more. Nice 3M adhesive. More mounting equipment. And of course you got your USB cable. And it comes with a battery. Now I did purchase extra batteries. Because I think this is, the battery life on this before having, the recharge is maybe 3 or 4 hours, maybe, I'm not sure. But I have extra battery. And now, the GoPro itself. Oh. It's in there good. Here we go. So, first thing I notice holding this GoPro10 is the feeling of it, its structure. It's well made. I can feel that. It's not like the cheaper ones I've seen, which are cheap plastic and very lightweight. This is substantial. This is cool. And what I like, one reason I went with the GoPro is it has a nice wide screen in the back, and it also has a screen in the front, which is great for video blogging. And there's your camera, and there's a lot of features here I'll need to check out. Well, that completes the unboxing, and now comes the time to learn how to use this GoPro 10, which I will be doing today, and I might do another video when I'm installing it into my Land Rover. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the GoPro 10. If you have never used a GoPro 10, maybe this was helpful for you. If you're used them and this is old hat for you, it's new to me. And thank you again for watching. Bye.